Okay, so I'm showing a little bit of one of my mom's favorite meals. My mom is 85 years old, and she is full-blooded Puerto Rican. And what I'm making right now are tostones, which are a twice fried plantain, which a plantain is like, it looks like a green banana. And so then what you do is you take it out of the oil, and you see them look like this, and then you flatten them out with this thing right here, which is called, it used to say Mr. Tostone. We've had this thing for years. This is like a prized possession of mine. You can see all of the grease and stuff. And then over here in the George Foreman grill, we've got two nice meaty pork chops, which are her absolute favorite. And I think those might be done. See, you can even get grill marks. Perfect. Oh, and I'll be fine. Like that. Look at that mess though. Okay. And then I always take a thing like this to let it finish cooking. And I love how all the fat drips out. Isn't that cool? Okay, now we're going to come over here and I'm going to show you how I do these while I'm rocking out to some Green Day. You just mash it down like that. I'm doing this one-handed because I'm holding my phone. See how they get nice and thin? Almost like a, I guess it would be like kind of like a cracker or a thick cracker or a, I don't know, a biscuit. I don't know. A fritter, if you will. So you just take the plantains, you peel. The peel's a lot harder to get off than banana. You take it off with a knife, and then you cut at a bias like this, see? And then you stick it in there, and that gives it more surface areas, because if you did it the other way, it wouldn't mash right. And believe me, I've tried every which way. These are just regular flat ones. And you see it has like a little template, so show you how big it gets. It'll go to exactly that size, see? If you cut them big enough. These ones I'm cooking just right because they are really flattening nicely. Some of them, if you cook them too long, the first cooking, or don't press them when they're still hot, they won't press right. Sorry if I go out of frame there. Okay, so there we have this many. Now, if you're going to save some of them, which I'm doing, there's no way my mom and I could eat all these. And I'm going to turn the oil down just a bit, the heat down. What you can do is freeze them at this stage right here. I noticed at the store I bought some frozen ones today, and they are, you don't have to do the second frying. But anyways, so what I will do is probably take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so that's 5 each. That's kind of a lot. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, do 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I'll do 9 and freeze 10 for another day. And then all you do, take it like that. You don't want to do too many at a time. I think about 3 is good. I'll move these ones down in the staging area, if you will. I'll move this back over. And they cook really fast, see? See? You just flip them around. Ooh, these are almost getting too done. Yeah, it's a little browner than I like them. Oh. Never fear, we can turn the heat down just a little bit. And then right when they come out, I want to hit them with a little bit of kosher salt. I'm just using a little aluminum pan. That's what we would make rice and stuff in Puerto Rican things. This pan, as you can see, has been, it used to be silver. Look how black it is. I've used it as a fryer for quite some time. Okay, then you just take this whole thing and flip them around. Sorry if I go out of frame, guys. It's hard to do this. Okay, I don't like to let them go much further than that. See, the second frying is just really, really, really quick. See how the difference in color? You can already see these ones are way browner. Those are golden. You want the golden ones. And while the grease is still on there, hit them with a little bit of salt so the salt sticks. That worked out perfectly. Flip them real quick. And if you can do these in a deep fryer too. Or you can just do them in a pan fry, like a frying pan without not that much oil in them. Okay, now they're starting to turn golden on the edges. Scoop them all out. Shake them off with a little excess oil. See how they look when they're cooling down and when they first come out. Want to get the salt on there. Yeah. Turn off the heat. And voila. That's how I make tostones. And my mom's going to love them. Thank you.